Yeah. Bit like having white wine with a steak. I'm quite happy with that idea.
Yeah, me too.
In fact, I think I've just decided what my tea is, no matter what.
White wine and steak.
Are the steaks they give you out here really big though? I mean,
Depends what size you order.
Yeah. In San Francisco I had one actually, and it wasn't as great as ours. But Texas is different, let's be honest. We're in Oklahoma.
Yeah,
Well,
there's
sorry.
still quite many meaty bits here.
When the meaty part of the
when
country.
the cattle go over the boundary, they change their accents. That's my bell is coming in. Public service to no service. Where was your phone again? You plugged your phone in?
No. It would be one of those.
No.
Oh yeah. I wonder if I can fit that in here so I can charge